If your shop is like ours, humid summer days always take their toll on your cast iron tops. We have the solution. Infinity's 3-piece maintenance pack from Boeshield includes the blade and bit cleaner, rust-free rust and stain remover, and T-9 top coat to protect after cleaning. Start by wetting down the top with rust-free stain remover and spend some quality time with an abrasive pad to knock down the worst spots. Then hit the entire table with a soft cloth and more rust-free stain remover. Once your top is looking good, follow up with an application of T-9 waterproof lubrication to protect your table saw and keep it in peak condition. Boeshield's blade and bit resin gum and pitch remover will keep your blades and bits in top condition as well.